Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we have some Google products as the title says down below. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll start off with the small package. So definitely spending up a little bit on the unboxing to include some more of the things I like and maybe y'all like as well. So we have the Chromecast audio. Let's see if I could get some light on off of that. Yeah, we have the Chromecast audio here. Let's see if I can bring in the... Alright, so this is for your speakers. Enhance your speakers to stream over Wi-Fi. Control from phone. Just tap the cast button in popular mobile apps to start listening. Listen on speakers. Plug in your aux input and enjoy crisp, high-quality sound delivered over Wi-Fi. Speaker import supports. Let's see if I could get. There we go. Speaker input supports the RCA, 3.5mm audio cable, and the optical audio cables. Alright, so 3.5mm audio cable is included. We have, let's see, I think bringing back the light probably gives it more focus, or I guess not. Alright, so high fidelity streaming audio from the cloud, wireless control from anywhere in your home, multitasking without interrupting your music, 2.5 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi with adaptive antenna system, so it supports 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Supporting devices are Android devices, iPhone, iPads, Macs, Windows, and Chromebooks. Listen to millions of songs, podcasts and radio stations from Pandora, Google Play Music, RDO, NPR One, iHeartRadio, TuneIn. Find more apps at chromecast.com/audio. Download in the App Store and get it on Google Play. There we go. Get those apps from the app stores. Let's go ahead and open it up. So the manual here is right there. To get started, plug into power adapter, power and speaker, and then plug power into cable, plug audio cable into Chromecast audio, plug Chromecast audio into speaker, plug power adapter into wall socket, or plug power cable into Chromecast audio was a 10-switch speaker input. If your speaker has multiple input sources, switch input to aux line in and ensure the volume is up. And then 3, set it up on your laptop, tablet, phone. Visit chromecast.com/setup. That one right there. So if we open that up, nice little presentation here. There it is. Looks like a little vinyl record. Has even the grooves, just like a vinyl record. Very small indeed compared to the Chromecasts Here is the power adapter. It is USB, so if you have, the way I use my Chromecasts for my TVs is I plug it into the TV itself. It has USB type of support. That way you have one less outlet to use, or one less outlet wasted by using the USB that way. So that's the adapter, that's the Chromecast audio. Very nice. Alright, on to the next one. As the title of this video probably already says it. You might have guessed it already, but let's go ahead and, or you might have known already. Let's go ahead and unbox it anyway. Since it is an unboxing. Hopefully opening boxes on video isn't as loud as it seems, since I do have the mic pretty close to everything. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. Link Master Sword letter opener. That's very nice. Start off the box. Dream with your eyes open. Very nice. This is the 2nd gen Daydream View. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Go ahead and put down for a bit. Let me bring down the camera. Alright, so this is the 2nd gen Daydream View. As a said, they did a bit of an upgrade to it, so I wanted to check it out. I have the Google Cardboard, so I never actually used the Daydream View, the 1st gen Daydream View. Wasn't a need at the time. Now that I have the Pixel 2 XL, I could actually have a phone that supports it. Let's see if the light works on this one. There we go. Requires a Daydream Ready phone. See full list at g.co/daydream. Daydream Ready phones are built for VR with high resolution displays, ultra smooth graphics, and high fidelity sensors for precise head tracking. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. Trusty Master Sword. Let's see. See a groove here. So I'm guessing it opens, and then I see a tape here and tape there. Still don't know which way it's gonna open. But I might have a clue. Okay, I think I found it. Alright, so that's how it is presented. Dream with your eyes open. So you just open it up like so. And there's right there. It's the remote control. I'm guessing has the information right here. Very nice presentation. And then the headset itself. So those grooves are for the airflow for the phone, or it's supposed to allow for extra airflow. So this is how it's actually. Let's take a look. Blue lens. Oh, I guess it's still has a bit of a plastic piece to it. So let's take a look at this side. Very tight indeed to keep it in place. So yeah, you'll have the phone going in here. Good. With the air vent. Keeps it nice and cool. Right there. Check that out. Definitely wider lens than the cardboard as it looks like, and definitely cushion, very cushioned indeed. Along the nose as well, very nice. This cloth almost looks like cloth. If you've looked at my previous videos, like the Google Home or the Google Home Mini videos that I've put up, I would have thought it would be of the same thing, but this is much softer indeed. So let's take a look at the remote. Alright, so that's, oops, put that back. Yeah, it's the plastic perforates right there on the side. It's very small control. I guess circle minus or whatever. G right there. Just as all the Google products have, and volume control, I guess, right there. I do not know how. I guess looks USB-C. So I'm guessing USB-C. That's how it charges. Except there are no cables around here. Let's check the small thing here. Yeah, cause that's all it came with, was the goggles itself. Daydream goggles and the controller. Let's get started. Get the app. Let's see if I get a. Alright, it's a little bit better. Get the app, download and open the Daydream app. Then follow the on-screen steps to finish setup. Get it on Google Play. Learn more about your new Daydream View. Visit g.co/daydreamview/support. This just one cardboard piece, so that's that one, and it says get the right fit. Adjust straps for comfortable fit. Here's how to remove the top strap. It's probably already what I did. Straps are right there. right there. Then the extra strap right there. After using Daydream, you can store your controller on the back of the straps. Little notch right here for the Daydream control. Your face pad is hand washable, so I guess you could actually take this off face pad and hand wash. Okay. And last but not least is Be Safe, safety and warranty. And so I can put safety. Exclusive warranty. And that's pretty much it for that. So it definitely does not come with a cable at all, I guess. It says includes headset, removable top strap, and controller. USB Type-C cable and charger for controller not included. So I guess you could use it with any USB Type-C controller. Alright, 2017 charcoal, as well as the Chromecast audio for this video, or maybe the last video. I might have it in 2 parts. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and do all those things. And thank you.